Hey everybody, Bill Panoff here with Porthole Cruise and Travel, and I'm here with Steve Leland, our senior writer who's been all over the world. Steve, how are you?
I'm really good today, Bill. Looking forward to this cruise coming up next week.
Where are you going next?
We're heading out. We're really anxious to see this new Sun Princess. We're sailing out next week out of Athens on the brand new Sun Princess.
I hear the ship is fabulous. It's the largest ship in the Princess fleet.
I was fortunate enough in December to go see the ship in Venice. I saw the bones of the
So you were in the shipyard.
I was in the shipyard in Venice and saw the ship. It wasn't complete yet. We had wires dangling from the ceiling and everything was there, but the bones were amazing. The framework of the ship, there's something new in here. We've got a lot to talk about.
So apart from being the largest ship in the world, I understand they have a roller coaster that goes around the perimeter of the ship as well.
They do. It's more of a glider. It's not a thrill thing, but it's really something unique. There are so many unique things about this particular ship, where other ships are cookie cutter ships. This particular one, the corporate heads say, we listen to the people this time. Forget the architects, the designers. We listen to the passengers in what they want in a ship, and that's how this ship is created. I can't wait to be on board.